Let's get ready to meet our next batch of special award winners. Starting with Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic will be presented by Mr. Sean Salvador and Mr. John Elmer Granada. Miss Photogenic is Miss Grand Castillejo Zambales, CJ Opiaza. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And our next award is for Miss Multimedia. And presenting this award is Miss Krishna Balzara, Head of Business Development of Miss Grand Philippines Org. And Miss Multimedia is Miss Grand Castillejo Zambales, CJ Opiaza. Congratulations. Next up, we have the award for Miss Aqua Boracay. Presenting the award, we've got Michelle Arceo. And Miss Aqua Boracay is Miss Grand Castillejo Zambales. Congratulations. And now we move to Best in Swimsuit. And to present this award, we have Aldrich Marudabao, General Manager of Miss Grand Philippines Org. And Best in Swimsuit goes to none other than Miss Grand Castillejo Zambales. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to, well, I was going to say all four of our award winners. Well, congratulations.